Welcome, beauties. What's up? Welcome to my channel. Today, Joe came on with an employee and they were comparing their scarves because they were dressed alike, and he showed a sneak peek. Up above, you can see the Boxycharm and Boxyluxe box. I think this is a possible theme spoiler. What do you think? I've enlarged the picture so you could really get a good look at it. On the left is the Boxycharm box with the disco ball in it. I think disco may be the theme for that box. On the right is the Boxyluxe box. What could those diagonal stripes possibly mean? Do you see something there? If you have a good guess, put it in the comments. Remember the January 2019 giveaway. This month we have the James Charles Morphe Collaboration palette and the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. We will have 2 winners. Just subscribe and read the rules down below. Remember, we have one every month. Thank you all for watching. Please remember to share and subscribe. And if you like the video, please give it a like. I would really appreciate it. And I'm excited to say we are getting so close to 5,000 subscribers. We might have that big giveaway next month. So make sure you're subscribed to get in on that. And until next time, bye.